Hello and welcome to Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Delay in Lower Lachumere road construction causes public distress. Sadar police summon KSU members amid controversy. BSF apprehends Bangladeshi national with liquor on Indo-Bangladesh border. And MLA Olan Singh Sun launches 2023-24 scheme in Mausanram. And now the news in detail. The construction of the road under the Smart City project in Lower Lachumere, adjacent to the DIPR office, has been ongoing for over a decade, leaving the public frustrated and uncertain about future plans. Banshai Marbanyang raised concerns about the extended delay, questioning the state government about the project's status and its impact on residents. In response to an RTI query submitted to the Public Works Department (PWD) in April, the PWD revealed on 8th of July that the project is part of the Smart City initiative with an allocated budget of Rs 87.18 crore. The prolonged construction has rendered the road unusable, aggravating the situation for the affected community.
Por belit sakmat hadu penai April ngilajukan ya ketika surop hangi hapo Lower Lachumere kabarashna lembaga Smart City Project. Bad ketika surop ngilabur ke jingli hapo ke Khuborjylla hagaba kumno ya ketika surop la pentraikam. Dihadukan mentang isa ya ke umdum hi ke bangimla syu banyo ya ke jubab ke basai walada nagaleng jonga hadin pangalapang ya ke RTI. Nadu penai April tang mario ban kren ya ketika surop ngalapan ya ke RTI napo ka PWD department jong ka surop PWD road tenrai kim sim la jubab hiro ya ka RTI ngala joyai ab hi nadu bena April ndretrik ngala yo ban pan ka RTI wat hadin ka ndretrik jo benai me ndai ka soka jela kam sim la jubab hadin live post ni kam sim la jubab ya ni ka RTI dinala yang junga rung la pha hi ka fast appeal sapo keju department jong ka PWD road ngala joyai ab banyo ya ke jubab ke basai halo ke pentrai kam ya ke surop hangte po Lower Lachumere nomor paling ni bakan ke surop kalawan ra shibun di jing ha ke bedi ban ke jingdon kam jung ki pai ba nong song snong ha ke bedi bat kalai kawan kamtam ha ke bedi ba snong Lower Lachumere nomor paling hangte hadin jong ke MPSC department ke don ro ke school all sain hangte por nomor bunsin ke por ni GE ba ki mi ki pa ha ba ki let ban shaw school ne ban bu school ki kon nakate hi ke surop kayan Bakumjo hero ki badai ki batrai hapo ki department baper jong ke Khuborjylla ki ya ina kate ke surap nama balai ki yo ruban bu kali hangte hajan jong ke surap nama balai kalong ka surap ke bayra ya shibun ki jingdon kam ki bagi pai ba ki yo ban ya ina ke surap te kumbang laju ong shakmat ba hadin manglapan ni ka RTI live post ni hadin ro ka PWD department kam shimla jawab te hadin hundru post ni ro ka PWD department kam shim jawab anda hadin kendai post ni Hagini ki kendiat sengi, mbong no ha ubnai ha ka pratrik jong ni ubnai Julai ngalayo ya ke jubab na po ka PWD road, bat ka PWD road la jubab ya ke te surop.
On July 15th, the Sadar police station summoned 7 members of the Khasi Students Union KSU from Nongmensong for questioning regarding a recent incident. The individuals called in include Finance Secretary Khuborkhasi, Vice President Akwis Kharbani, Organizing Secretary Banjop Langdakhar and members Clifford Kriem, Teiral Kriem, Vicky Thaba and Kanpha Marbanyang. Clifford Kriem has criticized the police for focusing solely on KSU members, questioning why the contractors who allegedly violated laws by failing to register foreign workers were not also summoned. The selective nature of the summons has raised concerns and criticisms within the KSU and the broader community.
Ni sakot nyongut paling dini dikhat pon nomsong unit de nyem tip ke ga jing temu jing ki dikhat le wala katar nyem sofer ka jing khat ka jing ki namar ba nakapor skapor long be gune hi ye khat bi da don nu isu berit barya kini tairu bagi dikhat bi saman bi khat masai but ini si balik ring nilai i ba bun hi ino yalam jungi ri ba sakot de ngem don sofer su dari sepenram ba ya ka polis department kalong kumba ka haras ini na kadau jangi isu ibarat kan khot na kapor di sepenrap ru agne bolong ba hakaji sisa kadeban khot semen lang ya kita kontraktor ki ba khani kendon jaga an haba ka yuan yalam ni kita ginong bela na po bar jela klem ki kot isla ki babet ki babyang kumaki khot ini di sya ki deban khot ikiru
tiada Khubor ngapa sampai khot kali tiada daw pat
mahpor baru ngapo ki sukli ini ba don nam di benta ki ba rusni ba ya right regulation ki don ki khot ni badon ki don ki khot ki bumdon benta hi kendon ki la kena ba kamdon gunu kendon ru pernah kendon ru khot samon dam tu
kanu tarik dia lagi man kara
tarik teh ngam kerma nomor ba di bisute hi nomor ba ngam semadon nang rapor
saya ki jaga
kat di hatang di area pulo hi
kadang ke jimi Khubor tu biski ba kali dah ke jimi kan rapo jen kompleks.
The Border Security Force BSF Meghalaya apprehended a Bangladeshi national along with liquor bottles on July 15, 2024. The operation took place in the East Jantia Hills District's BOP Donga area. Acting on a tip of BSF troops from the 172 Battalion detained Shamim, a 22-year-old from Sylhet, Bangladesh. The individual and the seized liquor were handed over to the Umkyang police station for further legal proceedings. The BSF's prompt action underscores their vigilance in maintaining border security and preventing illegal activities. On July 15th, Olan Singh Sun, MLA of Mausanram constituency, launched the MLA scheme for 2023 to 24 in the South Samper zone, which encompasses 16 villages. During the event held at Dorbar Hall, Langsamput in East Khasi Hills, Sun distributed checks totaling Rs 15,000 to 90 households, amounting to over 13 lakhs. Additionally, he provided house roofing sheets to 79 households, costing over 15 lakhs. Sun emphasized that these initiatives were carried out as promised during his election campaign and were selected based on village committee recommendations. The meeting was attended by Bit Rangslang, President UDP South Samper Zone, Soli Lingdo, Tambor Risau and UDP Youth Wing members.
Skim MLA kebajudon manlo snem arklor siteng ngala IT fi ginong pikam jam unit gi bisno bofer tangala yo e bisa ngala ai allotment hagi zone bofer berkinia yang allotment ngala ai hagi zone bofer berkison gila ai primary unit ban jidhi ye ginong yo utai ni skim umbalong so super ye katin ngala ai hadu syajar banpili kabamot hadu new pop kan latihan tap spangot kinong yo kata tong nakatin tengi klem khot ye gitu bangela aitin ngakhot menta tang ye gitu bangin ai daga sek bangin ai daga pisah nomor ba hakapor bung yo skim la ai bore fi unit banjir ya gilong yin ki badon kam da katin ngila thit da katin ki badon kam da ka jingerap da ka pisang ngila chena da kalap jingerap pisa kam rei tamata hagi snem ki ban bodlo kabor ka shofi te kumangala kren na dum shwa ngadon kam ya ka kumangala kren ha ka por ya election ayang aga jisanya ngan pit le mi fikat bangala ngandon kata ka public accountability ngan ya de ganti ke bakhoy ngan ya de ganti ke basuba ngan don ke jing tre sap yano no ngan tre de jing khoy ban ai registration ya ai pai ba khanang ba ngan long taw nong elam upak pai ba hiduk kisuk kiri kiria kisene nga ban yalam mi kalti badai nang ta ji shifri bakhoy ji pai ba tinggal le la ka banta ngamdei pengatri maroi rengkat begini nongkit kam barok biadon huni nongkit kam jeng sun nongkit kam jeng primary unit ini mau phi kena ibu jagorenga kumno pen pentul ni gaskin kilo yang ala da bakla te kum mau filakren video long ta ngalong kum mau ngalakren deeds and words deeds not words ngom kakam de tatrin ngalong yaki ba ngalong yaki ba shisin.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.